Hello, my name is Said Ali Akbarzadeh. In this part, I'm going to finalize the ordering of Siprotec 5 relays. Then I'm going to show you how we can order modular parts such as expansion modules and terminals, operation panels like this. And then how we can order DXC5 software and how many options are there. Then after purchasing of the relay, delivering, how we can add function points. Let me show you in this video. Please follow me. Okay, if you want to order a plugin module or communication card for port E, click on this here. Then we choose our relative communication card here. There are plenty of different plugin modules with different variants, which I have told you. You can see all the details on the tooltip. First item is the Ethernet communication card. It allows us to access DXC5 and 61850 protocols and goose message between two or some other relays, and 104 protocol. All of them are supported by this communication card. The next one is the fiber optic card. They are the same. First one and second one are the same. Next plugin module is related to the process bus. If we order merging unit in the near the primary equipment, we have to order this plugin module for the merging unit and the protection relay on the opposite side in order to send all the data from the merging unit to the protection relay. And next plugin module or communication card is related to 103 protocol with one channel, but the next one has two channel for this purpose. And there are some other plugin modules which is related to the line differential protection, such as 7SD82 for the protection data interface. We have different options. It depends on the distance between two protection relays, as you see here, with one or two channels. And if you want to have another input 4 to 20 milliamp, this communication card is okay. And the last one is related to arc protection plugin modules. And for this relay, I prefer to choose first one. Okay. And also, if you want to know about the details of the old communication cards or plugin modules, click on this item. It gives us a PDF file. You can see all the details. Click on the next. You can see the front view of the relay. First item is housing type. We have two options for it, flash mounted or surface mounted. By default is flash mounted. I can select the flash mounting. The next item is the operation panel. No options, it is integrated. Next item is related to the display, large or small. I select the large one, as you can see here. And the next item is key switch. It is optional. We can select with or without. For the LEDs on the base module, we have 16 LEDs by default. We can change it to 32 LEDs, as you can see. The second part of LEDs appear here on the first expansion module, as you can see. And for the front design, let us to stay on the standard. For power supply, we have 16 up to 250 DC volt and 100 to 230 AC volt. If you want to change it to 24 up to 48 DC volt, there is another options. Yes, click on the next button. For the firmware, we have current version. There is no other options. For the warranty, it is by default 5 years. We can change it to another options up to 10 years. Click on the show result. in order to see all the details of the ordering process. Yes, this is the front view of the ordering protection relay. You can see all the details, what we have ordered up to now, and all protection functions and what kind of protection functions we have ordered, and total function points appear here, as you can see. Yes, it is all what we have done. If you want to save the file, click on here. Otherwise, click on the finish configuration. The process of the ordering will be finished. If you click on the save result, it gives us this PDF file. We have two kind of order code, short code and line code, as you can see here. And we can see final front view of the relay and with all the details and the below. Yeah, this is the final result of the ordering. We usually give this PDF file to our client. He can click on the shortcode or line code, copy the shortcode for example, and paste it to the first page of the ordering process. Paste the shortcode or line code here, and he clicks on the apply. In order to see all the details, he clicks on the show result. Yes, all the details appear in this page. He checks the order number, shortcode and line code, front view, and all the details what we have ordered, and all the protection functions. See here the total summation of the function points. The client will not understand what kind of protection function you have chosen in this ordering. All of them are 0. That's why the summation will be 0 here. It's not necessary. You just know the total summation here. That's all. This is the final. Okay, let's go to the first page of the online configuration. If you want to order the modular part of the Siprotec 5 device, go to the part, and you'll see here the list of the modular parts such as expansion modules, plug-in modules, operation panels, terminals, and arc protection sensors and accessories. Let me choose the first one. Okay, in this list we have different type of expansion modules. Let me select the first one, IO201. It is selected here, can be changed in this part, and current channel type is protection type, can be changed to the measurement. Rated frequency is 50 or 260, click on the next. Housing type is by default flash mounting, we can change it to the surface mounting. If you need key switch, you can select width. And then for the LEDs, we have 16 LEDs. And for the front design, it is standard by default. We can change it to the USO or China. It is not too much difference. Click on next. Warranty is 5 years by default. Click on show result. And we can see here front view of the expansion module with 16 LEDs and 2 key switch, and also all the details what we have ordered up to now. And we have 2 order code, short code and line code, as you can see here. If you want to order plugin module or communication network, click on the second one, and then we can see the list of the all communication networks here or plugin modules. I have explained them before. Let me select the last one, arc protection card, in order to see the details of the arc protection card. Show result. Yes, we can see here the arc protection network with 3 channels and short code and line code for this ordering. Another item is the operation panels. They are just for surface mounted relay. First item is the size of case, 1/3 of 19 inches, and large display and 16 LEDs, and front design is the standard. Click on the show result to see the result, and this is short code and line code for this front view. This is the front view and the details. And next item is terminals. Click on that. In this list, first one is voltage channel and current channel. We have 2 types of current channel. First one is type A, which is allocated for expandable module or expandable relays with 3 options: protection, protection plus sensitive, and measurement. And we have type B for the current, which is allocated for non-expandable modules such as 7SJ82. For this type of current channel, we have 2 options, just protection and measurement. Let us assume that we select the type A channel. Click on show result. This is the figure of the terminal with shortcode and light code. Next item is the arc protection sensors. Click on that. First, we have to be assured that we have already ordered arc protection network card. Then we choose the sensor. For the sensor, I prefer to choose the first one, I mean point sensor. And for the different length of the sensors, we have different items. For example, 3 or 4 meter. I choose the 4. And I need to say that for the arc protection, we have to put the sensor in a different location of the HV compartment of the cubicle in order to send the trip signal first to the protection relay and then to the circuit breaker. Click on the show result to see the figure of the sensor, short code and line code. And the last item is the accessories. Click on that to see the list. We have different type of the equipment here. If you place the mouse on the one of the items, you can see all the details on the tooltip, as you can see here. And we have a special cable for the detached panels. We can order here, and we can order some other equipment such as a USB cover or some kind of plates for the port E and port F. And also we can order a cable connection for the laptop or cable connection for the network cards. And let me select on the special cable for the connection of the end of the first rack and first of the second rack. Okay, click on the show result to see the figure of the special cable. Yes, this is the figure of this special cable. If we order expansion modules more than 1 rack, I mean 19 inches. Yes, if you want to order Dixie 5 software, click on the Dixie 5 part. There's a list here. We have 3 types of Dixie 5 software, compact, standard and premium. If you want to know about them, there is a PDF file which is name is online help. In the part of 2.1 features of the different Dixie 5 variants, you can see all the details in 3 columns: compact, standard and premium. We can see all the differences between them. Okay, let me go back to our list. There are some other items in this list. For example, trial types for 30 days, and also we have other package for the university, and there are some other options. For example, if you want to change the license of the Dixie 4 to Dixie 5, we have these options and some other items. Let me choose the premium. Okay, and I need to have Sigra for this software, and also installed for one PC of this ordering of the Dixie 5. Click on show result. Yes, to see the shortcode and line code of this software. At the end, if you want to buy extra function points, click on this part. And then you need to click on the relative protection relay, for example 7SJ85. And this is a relay that you have ordered before, and you know the serial number of this relay. Put it here. This is, for example, serial number, and for the dat file, update with function extension. And for the next time, you need to select the total function points. Siemens company knew that by this serial number you have ordered before 75 function points, and you need 100 more function points now. And if you want to order 61850 protocol for port J, you can select it here. And for the received this function extension, there are two options: email or download. And for this in this box, you can put your email here in order to receive the function extension here. All right. I hope I gave you enough information about the ordering of Siprotec 5 relays and you were satisfied. And if it is, please recommend it to your friends and your colleagues. And I would appreciate you if you subscribe it and put your comment, please. Thank you so much.